Namo Namaha. Hello students, I am Tiwari Sunita, an educator of MS School, going to present an important topic, and that is Sanskrit grammar, Lakar. In English it is tenses and in Hindi it is Kal. So let's begin our topic. Now view the 10 Lakaras. Lat Lakar simple present tense, Lang Lakar simple past tense, Lit Lakar past unseen by the speaker, Lung Lakar imperfect past, Lut Lakar future indicating likelihood of action, Lung Lakar conditional mood, Lot Lakar imperative mood, Vidiling Lakar potential mood, should, Asherling benedictive mood. So dear students, from these 10 tenses we will learn Lot Lakar. Imperative mood आज्ञार्थक, आज्ञार्थ रूपाणी. The definition of Lot Lakar is: if you are going to give or take any kind of suggestions or order or blessing at that time, you are using the Lot Lakar. Some examples by the scriptures of all religion. हे बालः त्वम् आलस्यं त्यज. O boy, give up laziness. सत्यं वद धर्मं चर. Speaks the truth, be with righteous behavior. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुर्भाग् भवेत्. These sentences are used to give the meaning of order, request and blessing serially. First number, in the first sentence, Hey Bala, Tvam Alasyam Tyaj. Oh boy, give up laziness. In this, elder person is giving order to the boy of less age than him. Now, in the second sentence, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. Speak the truth, be with righteous behavior. In this sentence, some elder person giving suggestion to other. In the third sentence, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. May everyone in this world be happy. In this sentence, some devotee is praying God or giving blessing. So these all sentences are in imperative mode. The suffixes which are used with the different verb root of Parasmepad and Atmanepad for imperative mood, Lot Lakar, are as follow: Ani, Av, Am, A, Tam, Ta, Tu, Tam, Antu. The verbs of imperative mood are used mainly for this person. When using these verbs, person and number of the subject should be considered before selecting the appropriate form. So here the form of verb roots according to the suffixes of Lot Lakar are given: Vadani, Vadava, Vadama, Vad, Vadatam, Vadata, Vadatu, Vadatam, Vadantu. Now let's see the English meaning of this Dhatu Rupani or verb. The meaning of Vad Dhatu is to speak. I speak. We too speak. We all speak. Second person, you speak. You too speak. you all speak. Third person, he speak, they too speak, they all speak. In this way, we should understand the form of another verb root of lot lakar, parasmay pad. According to Vad Dhatu Roop, you have to learn and prepare the verbal root of char, mil, pat, pat. Now observe the forms in imperative mood Agyat Rupani for few more new dhatus. Let's begin. Number 1. The verbal meaning of char is to move about or to go about, to conduct oneself. Now forms in imperative mode of char is charani, charava, charama, char, charatam, charata, charatu, charatam, charantu. The second one is mil dhatu, that means to meet. And the forms in imperative mode is milani, milava, milama, mil, milatam, milata, milatu, milatam, milantu. Pat dhatu, to read, that means pathani, pathava, pathama, pat, patatam, patata, patatu, patatam, patantu. The fourth one is pat dhatu, and the meaning of pat dhatu is to fall. The forms of imperative mode is patani, patava, patama, pat, patatam, patata, patatu, patatam, patantu. Now do the exercise. View some more examples with the formation of verb in lot lakar parasmay pad, like pat plus ani, pathani, likh plus aao, likhao, kath plus am, kathayam, kar plus tam, kurutam, mil plus tu, milatu. So dear students, do some more examples by using this method. Some questions are there related to this topic for grade 8, 9 and 10. Do some more practice of it. Thank you.